Now if I told you my story, would you understand? Or would you just turn away like I'm a homeless man? Mommy saying, what if music fails, you need another plan? I'm just trying to...
What's up, guys? It's Mystics here with 2v2 trick shotting and sound. We have me and Nova versus Disaster and Modern. This is our first one of these. And I just fucking fell off the ladder. I couldn't even make it up the ladder. Alright. Nova, you're gonna hit. We've tried this already. Oh fuck, I fell. We tried this already once before and but it was done. Nova, say what's up. Wow, almost hit first try. That'd been nice. So yeah, we've been playing a lot of BO3 lately. So I mean, the shots aren't going to be the greatest. They're going to be a little off and a little different. But alright, come on, let's fuck him up. No, but hit right now. Go ahead. Why are you hiding? Look at that, Modern, you hella garbage. When he watches this video, he's gonna hear that and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna make my day. Oh my god, my spin's so awful. Oh, hold on. Wait for Disaster. I don't know why he's not using attack. I look forward to that. And Nova got Hit Marker of the Week, so look forward to that upload as well. Oh man. But yeah, we just started probably a few weeks ago, and we appreciate all the subscribers already. We're gonna keep uploading, and we're gonna start hitting a. Well, I mean, not hitting more, because, I mean, we hit all the time. But, you know. Nigga, why all you niggas want to come in my room now while I'm making a video? Alright, well, fuck. We fucking suck. I just shot the fucking rock. Nova, you gotta hit. It's up to you, because I've been playing way too much BO3. There's no way I'm gonna hit this. My shot should have hit. That's stupid. I don't know who the fuck this is, but I can't move. I'm stuck in your body. So if you want to move, that'd be great. Are we really stuck in each other? How do we get stuck? Oh my god. There we go. We're free. Alright. Not again. Alright, alright. Oh my god. Alright, right here. Nova's hitting it. Nova's hitting it. Oh, you fell. You didn't even jump. There we go. Fucking finally. No reload. Alright, well that's round one. Me and Nova.
I'm dry. Insertion point on my mark. Moving to engage. Sitting waypoint. Down.
And I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason you can't slow me down, see?
Reloading.
Yeah, so we gon' be
Sitting waypoint. Single shooter. Laying tack insert. Out. I'm dry. Laying tack insert.
what I'll be. Still can't believe everything I see. If I'm gonna stay down, well, it's up to me. It's up to me.
Operation complete. Nice
Living in a
job,
world
Grunts.
overcome with